This video will show you how to use Uline's long handle hand wrapper. The hand wrapper allows you to wrap pallets without bending over or reaching up. The hand wrapper is lightweight and features foam grips for comfort. Note, the hand wrapper is designed to accommodate 12 to 18-inch hand wrap rolls with a 3-inch core. Once assembled, the hand wrapper is ready to use. First, tuck the end of the stretch wrap underneath your load or tie it around the bottom of the pallet. Position the stretch wrap close to the floor, parallel to the load, and walk forward. Make sure the outer part of the stretch wrap roll wraps around the pallet. Wrap 2 times around the bottom, partially overlapping the pallet to secure the load to the pallet. As you go past each corner, tug the film tight and stretch it around the corner of the load. Begin moving up, overlapping each layer by 3 to 5 inches. As the roll rises to waist height, shift your hands along the handle, then flip the hand wrapper to continue wrapping. At the top of the load, wrap so that a few inches of film covers part of the top of the load. Once the entire load is wrapped, cut the film and pat the tail end onto the skid. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.